Welcome to HelloSend. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to create a webhook in Zoho CRM and connect it with HelloSend to automate your SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. Step 1. Create a webhook in HelloSend. Log in to HelloSend. From the CRM modules menu, go to HelloSend Messaging Automation Webhook. Click Create Webhook to start. Give your campaign a clear name so you can identify it later. Now, choose your from number. This could be your SMS number or WhatsApp number. Next, select the Zoho CRM module where your contacts are stored, such as contacts, leads, deals, accounts, and extra. Then, pick the phone field that defines which number the messages will be sent to. Step 2. Build your campaign flow. Add your first step. Send a welcome message immediately. Choose a message template for this step. Add a second step, for example, a follow-up message to be sent after 1 day. At each step, you can enable the option to stop the sequence if the customer replies, preventing unnecessary follow-ups. Once done, click Save. Your campaign will now appear in the automation table. Step 3. Set up workflow rules in Zoho CRM. Copy the webhook URL from HelloSend. In Zoho CRM, go to Set up Automation Workflow Rules. Click Create Rule. Choose your module, for example, Contacts, and give your rule a name and description, for example, Contact. Send WhatsApp on Create. Click Next and set your conditions, for example, lead source equals web form. Add an instant action webhook. Enter a webhook name and description. Set method equals post. Paste the HelloSend webhook URL. Under Headers, Module Parameters, add the required parameter name, type, and value. Click Save and Associate. Add the HelloSend URL to the CRM webhook, and then click Save to create the webhook rules. Once added, any update that matches the condition will automatically trigger a HelloSend drip campaign message. Step 4. Track and monitor. Back in HelloSend, go to Messaging Automation Webhook. Here, you can view the automation you created, check message delivery status, customer responses, and overall performance reports. And that's it. With HelloSend, you can seamlessly automate SMS and WhatsApp communication in Zoho CRM, saving time, improving response rates, and keeping your support workflows simple. Thanks for using HelloSend.